Hi guys, I am JD Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can send Apple gift card via email to one of your friend or relative. Just search here App Store or go to the App Store application and go to the top icon of your profile and then the middle option send gift card by email and select email here, which email you want to send. Okay, select amount, so make sure the email is correct. And if you want to write a message here, so you can write a message, but and select the date. If you want to change the date and future dates, you can send on future dates. So let's do that next here. And yeah, so see, like different coloring of the apples, like that. So I select this one. Okay, so no messages among this one and buy, so hit buy and buy now. Okay, so it's done. So just log into your iTunes Apple ID and then it's done, and then email will be sent through that email. So let's suppose I will go to my inbox here and yeah, here we go. They have charged my PayPal account for $25 and the iTunes card is already into my email. So this was just a demonstration, but I used my different email and then log into and confirm, and then I already have my PayPal account hooked up with the Apple ID. So they charge $25 and send me the gift card in my email and ready for redeem. So you can redeem here. So see how it goes through very quick. So I just hit redeem and it jumps to iTunes and then it's done. My balance has increased now. It was $4 now, and after $25 add up, so 29.76 cents. So I'm good to go for another couple of months. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Give thumbs up and share and subscribe JD Tech. See you in next video. Bye bye.